give me honky tonk blues. I had a divorce day in New York City. I had to put up some kind